पास आई। कभी कुछ ओरिजिनल तो बोल। I just called to say I love you.
Made it.
Yes.
You know, you just talked about it about a month ago.
Yes.
And we're already rolling, so it's amazing.
And it's very special because आप जानते हो, you all are my lucky charm, and it's surreal. So I think now let's get into a fun zone. Let's play some games. So we're going to play this game which is called Confession Box, and I will ask you both the same question. Whoever comes up with an interesting answer will get a gift of good health, and I will decide who's the winner. So
Okay.
come up with a good answer.
Okay.
The most disastrous vacation you guys had.
Our honeymoon.
Huh? What?
That's why I laughed like that.
Hey? What is that?
Let her explain.
Honeymoons are supposed to be luxurious, comfortable,
Okay.
well planned. You should have ample amount of time to go romantic. हम लोग हमेशा हर जगह लेट होते थे. ट्रेन पकड़ने के लिए, फ्लाइट पकड़ने के लिए, कहीं पे हमने होटल, रेस्टोरेंट बुकिंग, आईफिल टावर, we were late.
Okay. Okay.
The Louvre, we reached there late. It was about to
Who
shut
between
down.
You both is already
We
on
both.
time? Oh.
We
Made
both.
for each other. Made for each other. Because I was like, wondering, who is the one?
Best one was जब हमें फ्लाइट पकड़ना था फॉर पेरिस. हम लोग आधे रास्ते पहुंचे हैं, आधे रास्ते, एंड ही रिमेम्बर्ड सडनली, बेबी आई थिंक हम लोग ऑलरेडी लेट थे. आई थिंक आई फॉरगॉट माय वॉलेट. Anyhow, I said, no, I have some money with me, don't worry.
He forgot his wallet in the hotel? Like when he just checked
at a friend's place.
Oh.
It was a 9 a.m. flight. 9 a.m. flight, okay? So what time do you have to be at the airport scheduled? At least one hour.
At least
2 hours before, yeah.
1 hour before, right? So you have to be there at 8 at least. You know what time we got there? 8:55.
What? So positive?
8:55 is
Be
our
positive.
time that we arrived at the airport. If you manage to get to the plane in 10 minutes, and it's a very long distance, mind you.
Oh my
so we
God.
ran like mad. भाग मिलखा हम लोग घूम रहे थे.
After this honeymoon trip of ours, मैंने उसके बाद से कभी भी heels carry नहीं किए किसी भी trip में.
So this was really a disaster. I can
Yeah.
imagine. That's why you both had that same expression.
So if I'm in France talking to this French person, I would ask him, sir, how far is this Eiffel Tower from here?
Okay.
Is it okay if I can go there at this time, sir?
It's up to you.
So this is
This
what
is
we
how
learned.
this is we got everywhere, man.
What?
Like
How
with
do you-
all that animation, with that elaboration. What do you rate? Can I get a Spanish omelette, please? No, sorry, we don't have it. अबे तू नाटक क्या इतना है? Why?
Don't say that.
Oh God,
They
okay.
are too expressive. They are animated. So I brushed up
But
my
समझ में
French.
कुछ नहीं आता है.
I
Yeah.
brushed up my French and he learned these animated expressions.
So I have to agree, it's a complete disastrous trip, and the planning also was bad.
No, it was not a bad planning. It's just that we didn't have enough time.
Anyway,
We never had
now
enough time.
Let's get on to the next question. The one song that you could never sing.
That I could never sing.
I know you like singing, but which you couldn't sing. He's steady.
It's her question, right? What?
Yeah.
No, even you can answer first. Go on.
No, the question should have been rephrased for me. One song that you can sing. None.
Okay. And you?
A song that I cannot sing?
But now I've changed that you can sing.
I can sing most of the patriotic songs. You know, मम्मी लोग के
वंदे मातरम।
गजल संध्याएं होती थी and बेटा तुम गाओ I love my India, I love my India. मैं ये गाने गाती थी.
So you can sing.
We get the point.
Yeah, so I was not too much into romantic
Okay,
songs.
and the most embarrassing dress you wore to a party?
Him.
Never really.
Embarrassing dress.
Never.
Can't happen ever.
And what about you? The most embarrassing dress you wore to a party?
He'll remember this one. We went for an award show in Dubai. और मैंने बहुत सुंदर सा इंडियन एक सूट पहना था, सलवार सूट, ब्यूटीफुल ब्लैक कलर का विद लॉट्स ऑफ गोल्डन वर्क ऑन इट. बहुत सुंदर इंडियन अटायर.
Okay.
उसके तुरंत बाद आफ्टर द अवार्ड शो सडनली इनके फ्रेंड्स आते हैं और हम लोग ने प्लानिंग किया चलो चलो हम लोग क्लब चलते हैं. मैं वहाँ पहुंची हूँ अकेली लड़की जो इतनी ढकी हुई थी ऊपर से नीचे तक, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक.
But I told her, I said, you know, we should thank God we're in Dubai so we can get away.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, what do you desire the most but you cannot have it?
I think being invisible.
Eh? Okay, why?
It's too strong a wish, no? That, oh, you desire something and you can't have it. Eventually, I can have a lot of things, but this is something I can definitely not have.
Nice. So, okay, that's a good answer. Basically, you want to be invisible, but you can't have it. Okay. So, now is your real test. Since you are very health conscious, you have to guess the calories on these food items.
Okay.
Hot chocolate,
Depends. A cup like that,
small,
around 80,
and cheeseburger.
300.
And you?
I don't know, but the way I imagine it, कि अगर मैंने हॉट चॉकलेट पिया तो इतना पेट बढ़ेगा और बर्गर खाए तो इतना और हो जाएगा, तो उस हिसाब से हॉट चॉकलेट मस्ट बी लाइक 200 एंड बर्गर मस्ट बी लाइक 500 or 600.
Oh my
नहीं,
god.
इतना नहीं होता है.
मैं इतना इमेजिन.
Anyway, so yes, I was saying you both are very fit and fabulous. So I wanted to know what is your health culture?
Nothing. I eat everything.
Okay.
I don't deprive myself of the nice, good food. I'm a foodie. I'm a junkie also. I cheat more frequently than normal people do.
So what is your health culture?
My health culture, so I'm trying to work out more now.
Okay.
Mostly cardio. It's a mix of cardio and CrossFit. I try doing some functional training. I realize that as you know, I have been a very adventurous person. Now I'm trying hard कि रात के 7 बजे के बाद dinner ना हो.
Oh,
I'm trying. It's difficult for me, but I'm trying.
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
But so I think now it's time I announce the winner.
डराओ मत लड़की
तुम
को.
मुझे डरा रहे हो, मैं तो और
अरे
भी
डरा
नहीं मानूंगी फिर. So with all the interesting answers that you'll give me, so the winner, it's Divyanka Tripathi Daya. Sorry, I'm sorry, माफ कर दो भाई.
वीव अच्छी बात ये है कि हम दोनों एक ही घर में जा रहे हैं, तो हैम्पर आप ही के पास
Exactly,
आने वाला है.
share and grow, share and care.
और फायदे की बात है कि जो
It's
चीज
not about, you can use the hamper, but it's more of an ego.
Oh my god.
My ego has been hurt today.
I'm so sorry. I'll
And
make
that
it
too
up
by
to you.
such a close friend.
मेरे पति को दे दो.
I'll make it up to you.
मतलब फर्स्ट एपिसोड में किसी की आप ईगो हर्ट कैसे, ये कैसा शो है यार? ये किस तरह का शो है? वाहियात शो है ये.
Here's wishing you a good health and good life. To both of you, y'all are one.
Thanks for wishing me good health and good life. You're so
आप दोनों
sweet,
एक ही हैं.
Babis. I love you.
Love you too. Saji.
Can we move on?
Meera.
Yeah, we can move on to the next game.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're going to love it too. It's going to the same house.
Yeah.
तुम मेरा फोन नहीं उठाओगे कल से?
नहीं, are you mad? I'm not that petty यार. I won't answer her calls.
Oh.
चलो चलो let's
Brat.
move.
Anyway,
Help
There
me.
दिखाओ.
नहीं, you just help me keeping it there. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए help
इसको भी
मुझे.
दिखाओ how heavy it is.
ये लो. लाओ.
Anyways, moving on to the next game.
Yeah.
So this game is called Dramebaz. Okay. To check how good a Dramebaz you are, So I will give you guys a situation now.
Drama king.
And you guys have to enact it. So who should I start with? You or the lady
Inky
first?
ponky 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 pinky ponky
Okay.
ponky me.
Yeah.
Okay. A drunk guy convincing a cop that he was not drinking and driving.
But then मेरी भी एक्टिंग हो जाएगी ऐसे तो फिर
कोई बात नहीं.
ठीक है.
तुम ACP हो?
क्यों बे? दारू पी के चला रहा था?
नहीं सर. दारू
ए
नहीं.
चल चल.
सर दारू.
उठक बैठक लगा.
सर दारू मैंने नहीं पिया सर. मैं कभी दारू पीता ही नहीं है.
अरे इसको बोलने का.
सर,
उठक
मैं-
बैठक लगवा इससे.
सर अरे सर गाड़ी ठोका वो सर. मैं तो वॉलेट के लिए कंप्लेंट लिखाने आया. मेरे को
अरे
नहीं-
चल तू उठक बैठक लगा.
अरे सर मैं
पी
उठक
के
बैठक.
क्यों आया? तू पी के क्यों आया? ऐसे बोल उठक बैठक लगाए फिर बात करेंगे. अबे ठीक से उठक बैठक लगा नहीं तो हवालात में डालेंगे. चल. ये कर क्या रहा है? बदबू आ रही है. इसको इधर से निकाल. निकाल इसको.
Damn good. So now Dev, it's your time to prove yourself. I'm going to give you also a situation and you have to
परफॉर्मेंस
enact it.
प्रेशर हो रहा है.
Oh my god, best actress, don't at all worry. A waiter is starving and he's taking an order with the food while the food aroma is killing him. Then he finally loses it.
ए छोटे ये ऑर्डर लेके आ.
हाँ सब वो मैं.
मीनू लेके आ, मीनू.
हाँ सब मेरे को याद रहेगा बोलने का.
वो है चिकन 2 प्याजा है क्या?
है सर. टेस्टी है
टेस्टी है.
सर.
तेरे को खाने का नहीं है, तेरे को लेके आने का है.
हाँ सर. और बोलो क्या चाहिए?
बूंदी रहता है.
है सर.
दाल मखनी है.
है सर.
ये खाने के सपना देख रही है क्या?
नहीं सर. हाँ मतलब
क्या क्या झोल है?
सर जल्दी बोलो ना.
एक काम कर, सारे एक एक प्लेट लेके आ जा.
सर सारा खाएंगे?
हाँ खाएगा मैं.
अकेले नहीं खा पाएंगे सर.
मैं खाएगा.
सर अकेले नहीं हो पाएगा.
अरे तेरे को क्या, मैं खाएगा.
लाती हूँ सर. सर फ्रेश. फ्रेश.
एकदम एक्स्ट्रा मक्खन है.
That was awesome. If you, Vivek, and your friend are driving back home from a late night dinner, you have traveled a few kilometers, and suddenly your friend complains of a chest pain. What would you do?
Bobby's complaints. I'll
I
tell
think
her.
वापिस को गैस हो गई.
मैं भी यही बोलूंगी.
So what would you do?
इनो.
Okay, fine. I think
गाड़ी
it's
से
better.
उतार देंगे.
It's better I move on.
पहले इनो देंगे, उसके बाद कुछ असर नहीं हुआ तो गाड़ी से उतार देंगे.
You know what, you guys are just made for each other. Well, you have heard Vivek and Divyanka's answer. That's a funny one, but such an emergency, tricky situation can happen in anyone's life. And prevention is better than cure. To deal with any healthcare issue, download the new healthcare mobile app, Health for You. Book instant appointments and avail emergency services instantly on your fingertips. It's free and available on Android and Apple phones. And guess what? One lucky downloader will get the chance to win a swanky coffee mug signed by Vivek and Divyanka. So what are you waiting for? Start downloading and keep your fingers crossed. All the best. One more little gift for you guys, for the beautiful couple. This is the annual supply of organic food from the Bombay Natural Company.
Yes.
मतलब
Amazing.
राशन फ्री हमारा.
एक साल के लिए राशन फ्री.
Yes.
Yes.
Something
this
very
is
different.
some achievement. Thank you, Bombay Natural Company.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you
Thank
for
you,
having us so
Bobby.
much.
Thank you, thank you,
thank you.
Bye, guys.
चलो bye bye bye
Bye,
bye
moms.
bye bye.
See you.
Bye.
Guys, please sign these mugs.
Okay.
Sure.
Hungry? Anywhere, anytime? Download Box 8. Order food online. The most erotic film you have ever seen.
Okay, erotic film. Porn is not included, right?
So now we're going to play one guessing game.
Okay.
Okay.
तू गाली देने वाली है. Hi, that's Avika.
And that's Manish.
And that's Barbies.
Hi.
And you may watch us on
Showbiz with Barbies.
only on IndianWikimedia.com.
Yay!